Good morning, everybody. It is like 11 o'clock, I think. 11:03. I just got dressed. I just put Charlotte down for a nap. Ben's playing in the driveway. Graham's gonna be going to work in a couple minutes. I'm gonna run to the gas station up the road and get some milk because we have like no milk. It's always like this.
Can I get some can at the Dollar Tree?
And then we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree later today. But yeah, I'm gonna go run to the gas station and I'll be right back. Graham's making me drive his car. I drive this car once in a great blue moon. It's not safe to drive because it just needs to be replaced.
I hate this car. I like that car more.
I understand, but you're not gonna be in the car. Graham just takes us to and from work, and when we live, like, he only lives a couple miles from work. It doesn't actually.
I hate this car.
Okay, thanks. It doesn't really matter if this car breaks down or not because we're super close to home. So, will you stop talking? That's rude. He does this every single time, especially when I'm on the phone with my mom. He has to interrupt me. Ben, you need to learn your manners a little bit better. You need to say excuse me and stop just interrupting me because it's really getting old. So, that's what's going on. But, I have something else I want to do today, but I'll talk to you guys about that in a bit. But yeah, I'm going to the gas station. So it is 1:21. Sorry, I don't want Ben to come inside. It is 1:21, and I talked to Graham's parents, and they live close to the zoo. So we're actually gonna go to the zoo today. Charlotte, I think, has only been there once, maybe. But you have to wear a mask going in, and you have to follow the arrows. Our town has a free zoo, which is a pretty decent sized zoo. Now my phone's ringing. Let's see who's calling me. It's probably my mother. Oh, it's husband. I'll call you. Okay, I'll be right back. I forgot to come back. We're getting ready to go in the car. We're gonna go in the zoo, and I'm bringing the little car to Graham's parents' house because they have a steeper driveway. So I thought that would be fun for the kids to go down. So that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go have some fun. Ben does not know. He won't know until the very last minute. But you ready to have some fun? You wanna go zoo? Can you say zoo? Zoo! Yeah. Okay, we'll catch you guys back. Okay, guys, wanna see something cool? So this is our state capitol right straight ahead. I always love staring at this thing. I just love staring at it. It is awesome. So we are downtown. Ben wanted to go around the Capitol, so that's what we're gonna do, and we'll catch you guys back when we're at our destination.
Let's see if you can see anything unusual here.
What? What's that?
That's a caterpillar. That turns into a butterfly. Look at the size of that. It's like the size of my finger. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Why?
We don't know if it could be poisonous one.
Here's another one, Benjamin.
Is that
Oh, that one died. And then we got,
That one might be dead.
what is this?
Oh, no cicada.
Yeah. That one looks like it's like it just got hatched. It's a lion. Say hi, kitty.
Doesn't want to look at us today.
Can you say hi, kitty? No, you just, he can't.
Go over there.
You want to go over there? We can. Charlotte, do you see the kitty? Do you see the kitty? You see it?
Need one with a horn.
Yeah, they have he has a horn on his nose.
And a horn on his head.
He's just smelling the dirt. Charlotte's like, look at the rhino. Look at the rhino, Charlotte. Charlotte, do you see the giraffe? They're pretty.
Oh.
I love.
Only 1 foot.
They like to balance on 1 foot.
Why?
They're silly.
They go like this. They put it up real high and put it under their wing almost. Can you see that?
Look at Ben, he's sleeping. Look at those teeth.
Come on, let's go see the next animal.
Look at the teeth on him. Come over here, Ben.
That was awake.
He's awake? Look at him. Mean little guys. Charlotte, what do you see? Is that a bison? Yeah. She's pointing to it. Yeah. Good job. Good did you see, Charlotte?
You see
Did you see something? Did you see fishies?
No, you don't see any
Or the otter? I think it's the otter.
Well, it says harbor seal.
Seal.
Otters are up
Yeah.
with the slide and stuff.
Kick, 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 kick.
Come here, Bunny.
He's getting his exercise
Here's the
today.
best picture. Here, you missed it. This is like the best picture.
Charlotte, you see the bear? Charlotte.
Picture that you Mommy.
Charlotte, see the bear? No?
Yeah.
You don't need to see. You can see just fine. Look at, there he is.
He's gonna go up the waterfall.
Whoop. Do a flip.
That's like a meatball going. It looks like a hot dog going.
What do you see, Miss Charlotte?
You see some
Oh,
animals?
the water.
Yes, Miss
There he
Charlotte.
is. He just dived in. There he is.
Oh, he's coming towards you, Miss Charlotte.
Mr. Arkin was a bad guy in the movie.
But he turned into a good guy. I'm just chilling next to the water. Chilling. He's gonna go say, oh, he's like, I gotta relax.
Maybe we can see more.
You wanna go see the penguins?
Yeah.
Look at the penguins. Benny, look at the penguins. Just go look at the let's go over here and look at the penguins.
Why do we just stand there?
Charlotte, you see the penguins? Charlotte, look. Look, it's the penguins. Look at the penguins. Charlotte. Hey, Pookie, look at the penguins. Nothing?
Penguins.
There's just like, we're chilling.
Well, hey you guys, so it is 5:55. We just walked in the door, but we had a good time at the zoo. A lot of the exhibits were like closed on. They wouldn't let us, we probably only got to see half of it because of everything that's going on, but we still had fun. Charlotte really loved the seals. Even though she didn't see the seals most of the time, she just loved with the water, so it was like super cute. She had to fit when we were walking away, and then when we were walking again, she wanted to go right back there. But they had to, you had to go in certain directions. And then I got a root beer float at the concession stand and I spilled it all over the counter. He's like, it's okay, and I'm like, okay, I felt bad, but I cleaned it up, and then, you know, but yeah, so children are just chilling. Graham's not gonna get home, I think, until after 9 o'clock. But I'm gonna work on more of this cup. And then I don't know if I showed you guys, but I did finish my Etsy order. So I finished that. Let me know if you guys think. And then I am working on my second cup order right now. I had to stop, but I'm working on that. And then I'll get that done and then let them sit. Hopefully I can get that done in like two days. And then if I can get that done, I'll let them sit, and then I'll probably hopefully get them mailed out by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, hopefully. So yeah, I ended up getting, we had to stop at the Dollar Tree, and I went to the one that's just, I always find some good stuff, but
I got this guy and I got this guy.
I really wasn't looking for like easy, I wasn't really like looking. Next week I'll find some stuff, but I just needed to get myself a binder. They didn't have cute ones, like last year they had some really cute ones, this time they didn't. But I ended up needing a binder so I can put all my orders that I make on Etsy. So I just got myself a little binder that I can put there. They had this fill, they had three different colors, but I wanted to get this color. So I'm gonna use this for some stuff that I want to make for Thanksgiving. And then I got a lens, which I'm pretty excited to use this. So we will see how it goes. And then, yeah, didn't get very much, but that's fine. It was just on our way to Graham's parents' house. And then we chilled with them for a little bit. So I will catch you guys back, like I always say. Yeah, okay. So that's what's going on. Just trying to figure out something else. And I'll catch you guys back. I forgot what I was saying. The ADD in me, but I'll catch you guys back when I'm ready to talk. You guys. So it is now 8:33. I worked on another project that I've been wanting to make. Like when I get something in my head, it drives me nuts. And I'm not finished with this yet. Roots rewind. I am not finished with this yet, but right now the camera is taped to the thing, but I'm gonna put a hole in the ornament and put the lens in there, but this is what I'm gonna start making. Santa cams, and then I got, this is drying right now, but I'm gonna do these. I'm pretty excited the way this turned out. I got 2 different fonts that I'm gonna work on, which that reminds me I gotta save that on my computer. But I think I'm so excited to get these, so I'm gonna make a bunch of them. I'm thinking, I've seen most people make just the red ones, but I'm gonna make them in different colors because not everybody has a traditional red Christmas light or Christmas decorations. Like when I started dating Graham, my theme was just black and silver. So I'm thinking I might do some stuff. I might change some stuff up a bit, but I'm pretty excited about these. I'm gonna probably make about 20 of them, 20, maybe more. I also have another thing that I'm gonna make also with Santa cams, so I'm pretty excited. I want to get this stuff started, so then, you know, it's bam bam thank you ma'am before everything all takes, you know, place. So I'm pretty excited with that. I finished my cup. I already told you guys that. Charlotte went and wanted to play in the pool today, which we have, it's not even a pool, it's like a little drawer for underneath the toy box, and Ben put water in it and she started jumping in it. It was just like only like an inch or 2 full of water. Ew, I wouldn't drink that, honey. She finds all these sippy cups and it's like, where the heck did you find this sippy cup? It's just, I pick them up constantly, and then she finds them more, and she finds them more. Charlotte, where'd you put your milk? I don't know, but I'm excited to get some stuff figured out. I was thinking of Walmart. I've been trying to find a tape measure like crazy, but those are like somehow so hard to find for the price that I want to pay. I mean, I'm not paying anything more than like $2. Walmart has some for $1, but every Walmart I've been to, they're sold out, which is totally fine because I'm not in a dire need of a tape measure, but eventually I will. Yeah, so I don't know, I feel like we didn't do very much stuff today, but we got out and enjoyed the day. The kids had fun, Charlotte had fun, Benjamin had fun. Did you have fun today?
And I keep putting candy in the Ziploc baby.
We got pants on today, you guys. Pants on, pants off, dance off. Ooh, 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 ooh. So, yeah, so I don't know. I don't really got anything else more exciting to share with you guys. Tomorrow, I don't want to leave the house, but like when I say I have something on my mind that I want to finish, it's like I want to go and get something. So I might go to Harbor Freight tomorrow. Depends on when Graham gets home. He told me he might have something that I want. Otherwise he told me to buy it on Amazon. And I'm like, I don't want to buy it on Amazon if I don't need to. So we will see what's going on. I'm gonna get these kids ready for bed. Charlotte took a nap on her way home, so she might not go to bed directly at 9. But I don't care. I'm making her go to bed at 9. Ben should be going to bed at 9. Also, that's what I've been trying to get the kids to go to bed, is at 9 o'clock. Just because I need my alone time. I've been watching Vampire Diaries. I've been into that. So, I'm pretty excited with that. I mean, I want to start... Yeah, I don't know why, but I never finished the whole seasons. And I think I maybe watched up to 3 or 4, and then I just got busy. I don't even know when it started, maybe 10 years ago, maybe even longer than that. Don't remember, but I want to start watching that whole series. By the time I finish that series, it'll probably be Christmas, which is fine with me because I like watching those shows while I craft. But I'm going to work on the basement a little bit more. Hopefully I can get the main area, like where my craft area is, picked up. That's a goal of mine over the next week or so, and then I'm gonna get I'm gonna get a table and start working on some wreaths. I just want to get everything cut out and then piled up, and then as I go from there, I'm gonna start making some stuff because I'm gonna make a witch's hat, and then I'm also gonna make a Santa's hat is what I want to make, and then I might make some other things, but I just want to try to get ahead so I can sell some stuff on even if I don't sell it on Etsy, I still want to sell it on Facebook Messenger because there's not a lot of craft shows going on, and I want to try to get ahead of that stuff just to kind of get some income, you know, to help me out, because couponing, I'm now making almost half than what I used to make back in the day, like 5 months ago. So I'm getting there, but I'm doing as much as I can to do stuff. But I really want to do more couponing videos. But if I don't have to do couponing videos, at least I can, no, I don't want to do more. I want to do more crafting videos. So, but I want to start cooking too, because once the fall starts hitting, I think I'm going to start more cooking videos, crock pot meals, freezer meals. So I'm just trying to get the freezer downstairs empty, and somehow it never gets empty, but I should just go through it someday and just chuck stuff that we haven't seen in years, because that stuff, one thing I hate is a chest freezer instead of an upright freezer. So I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. A lot of you guys love it how I say that. Again, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, thanks for everything you guys do. You guys are the highlight of my day, maybe. I don't know, but I will see you guys all tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.